Alright, this is part 2. If you like, please hit the like button, subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. This is part 2 of 99 Tahoe, no start. So it was the ignition module, which I already have it out, goes right there. And this is what it looks like. And it sits in there this way, brackets down. So when it's in there, the reason I took it apart first is there's the 2 stud holes, and then on top of that bracket sits on top of the studs, and then 2 nuts go down. So 2 nuts go on top of that bracket on the 2 studs, that one and that one, and then underneath it are studs just like the one that's sticking up right there. Those come out, so this bracket right here comes out of there. I'm going up to the top of the hill to steal the other one out of the other truck. My neighbor brought me this one to use temporarily to get my truck home. So, yep, that be the culprit right here. This guy, ignition module.